So hello students, so today I am going to start with this general organic chemistry chapter for the 11th class. So this is a very interesting chapter and also very important chapter. So if we want to understand organic chemistry, so we really need to understand all the concepts which are discussed here in this chapter. So it is very important chapter, and today I will be covering only about the introduction of this chapter. So in this name, general organic chemistry, this word organic signifies life. So we can say all such substances which are obtained directly or indirectly from living organisms, plants and animals are called organic compounds. So all plant-based and all animal-based compounds are called the organic compounds. So some examples we can discuss like urea, sugar, oils, all type of fats, dyes, protein, vitamin, DNA, etc. And DNA, we know it is also called deoxyribonucleic acid, and it is responsible for transmitting genetic information from one generation to another. So all these are the organic compounds. So in 1815, there was a chemist named Berzelius. He gave the vital force theory, and according to this theory, organic compounds are produced under the influence of vital force existing in the living organism. So he said that these organic compounds are produced in the living organism in the presence of vital force. So he said that organic compounds cannot be synthesized in the laboratory. It is impossible to synthesize these compounds in the laboratory. But later on, in 1828, Wohler, a chemist, he made a very interesting discovery. He was able to prepare this animal-based urea, which is an organic compound, in the laboratory. So he accidentally obtained urea, a well-known organic compound, by evaporating an aqueous solution of ammonium cyanate, a typical inorganic compound. So by this reaction we can show this. So this is the ammonium cyanate, which is the inorganic compound NH4CnO. So when it is heated, it gets rearranged to urea, which is NH2CONH2, and this urea is the organic compound. So in this way, by preparing this organic compound urea in the laboratory, Wohler proved the earlier theory given by Berzelius completely wrong. So, and after that, thousands and thousands of organic compounds have been synthesized in the laboratory. So we cannot follow the earlier definition of the organic compounds. So what is the modern definition of organic compounds? Organic chemistry is now defined as the chemistry of organic compounds containing usually hydrogen and one or more additional elements like oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, and halogens. So, according to this modern definition of organic compounds, these are the compounds which are having the essential elements of carbon and hydrogen, and with both of them they have some additional elements also like oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, and halogens. So then So we know in the present time, we know very well that there are a large number of organic compounds. So what is the reason behind with this large number of organic compounds? So few reasons are there, so which I will discuss now. So first reason, very important reason, is the catenation. So what is catenation? So there is a unique tendency of carbon atom to form bonds with the other carbon atoms. So carbon atom is having this unique tendency of forming the very strong covalent bond with the other carbon atoms now, and in this way it is carbon is able to form a long chain of carbon atom also. So this unique tendency is called the catenation, and because of this there are a large number of organic compounds. So we can say catenation is the formation of a chain of identical atoms. So second is tendency of carbon atom to combine with other non-metals with strong covalent bonds. So carbon can combine with the other non-metals also with the strong covalent bonds. And the next is the phenomena of isomerism, which is also responsible for large number of organic compounds. So this isomerism I will cover in my later videos in detail. So organic compounds are mainly composed of 10 elements: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, and the halogen atoms, which are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. And the next, another quality of carbon atom is that it is a tetravalent. Carbon has the tetravalency. So all these reasons are there for the formation of a large number of organic compounds. So we can simply say, define these organic compounds, simple words, like this: hydrocarbons and its derivative. Hydrocarbon means the compounds which are made up of carbon and hydrogen and their derivatives. All these are the organic compounds. So thank you so much. So in my next video I will be covering about the covalency and tetravalency of the carbon atom. So thank you very much.